Welcome back to the channel. Mad Brad's Customs here, and this is what we are up to today. We are doing motorcycle LED lights. That's right, I ordered this kit from Amazon all the time. It's a good kit, very well built, and let me just show you what we've been up to. Yeah, we're getting ready to do that to the cowling fairing, that is. But yeah, there's one right there. You can see it flashing different colors. I just have it hooked to a little jump box right there until I wire it all in. And here's the other side. As you can see, yep, that's wired in there. And I put one up behind this. There you go. And one up under the tank. Yeah. There you go. That's right. Hey, we'll run another one, and they will be the longest ones will be here on the front wheel. And as you can see, comes with a little remote. You can kind of cut them all kinds of different colors, different ways, different blinks, different. It's a good little kit. All right, it is a rainy ass day here in Somerville. There's Gunner. Don't forget, tell him, Gunner, like and subscribe. We need you. All right, Mad Brad's Customs. We are